To watch more videos, subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notification of my new videos.
Hello students, today we will see activity of reaction with zinc powder and sulfuric acid. When it react, it forms zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is evolved, that we will show the activity here. Now sodium hydrogen carbonate, this also sodium hydrogen carbonate react with H2SO4, sodium sulfate plus carbon dioxide and H2O. Carbon dioxide is evolved in second reactions. So we will see these two reactions in which first hydrogen gas is evolved and in second carbon dioxide is evolved. Let us see the activity. Students, for this activity we require zinc metal powder, or we can use also zinc granules. We have this time zinc powder. Second, for second reaction, sodium hydrogen carbonate, and for these two reactions we are using single acid reagent, that is H2SO4, dilute H2SO4 sulfuric acid. Along with we will have two round bottom flask, and we will see this activity that gas comes out, carbon dioxide and hydrogen, with these two balloons. Now in round bottom flask we have taken zinc powder, and in second round bottom flask we have taken sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3. We will add H2SO4 in both of the round bottom flask. We will observe in zinc metal, here hydrogen gas, bubbles of hydrogen gas will come out, and in second carbon dioxide will evolve. The reactions, you can see the bubbles of carbon dioxide you can see here both of the balloon in green, that is carbon dioxide gas is evolved when it is going to react with H2SO4, and in second hydrogen gas, here unfortunately very less amount of hydrogen gas is produced with zinc powder and H2SO4. We can see the size of balloon increasing. Each balloon is going to increase because of the gas evolved during the reactions. Now students can see this balloons is become big. Carbon dioxide, that is green balloon, and here is hydrogen gas, that is in red balloon.